Piotr Lopez, ano bang masasabi nila regarding dito sa ginagawang firing ng Port NCB?
Well, sa aking, ang aking masasabi dito ngayon itong firing na ito ay para ito sa tinatawag na parang practice drills ng mga regular na sundalo para patuloy ang pag-master nila kung ano ang dapat gawin kung sakaling mayroong tinatawag na digmaan. So sa ngayon, ngayong araw na ito, dito kami sa RICO ng Philippine Marines. Kasama namin yung mga firing instructor. So sa kasulpuyan ngayon, nandito sila. They are still practicing on doing continuous for the one those are member of the Naval Command Battalion under the leadership of so that we are here, we are glad that we are being selected by the CBS brigade, and then after this we have a series of what we call this skills in how to shot the target, and maybe by and by our instructor will command us to have an endurance firing. I will run I think 2 kilometers and we will shot one balloon. This is the purpose on how to let the soldier know his target. So as of this moment, we'll take just a break and we'll have a coffee there together with the Piotr Longson, and we'll go there to have a coffee break. Thank you, and we'll continue that later.